Hook. What makes the Nubia Z60 stand out in a crowded smartphone market? Is it the sleek design, the impressive camera, or maybe the battery life? Let's dive in and find out. Introduction. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Nubia Z60. This phone has been making waves lately, and I can't wait to share all the juicy details with you. We'll cover its key features, how it performs in real life, and whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. So, let's jump right in. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about some common concerns that potential buyers might have about the Nubia Z60. First off, performance is a big deal. With so many powerful smartphones out there, does the Z60 hold its own? Some folks are also worried about camera quality. In a world where everyone wants to capture stunning photos, can the Z60 deliver? And of course, we can't forget about battery life. Nobody wants to be tethered to a charger all day, right? So, these are some of the challenges we'll keep in mind as we explore this device further. Exploration/development. Alright, let's break down the Nubia Z60. Starting with the design, this phone looks and feels premium. It has a flashy finish and a comfortable grip, which is always A+. Moving on to the specifications, the Z60 packs a punch with its powerful processor and ample RAM, making multitasking a breeze. Now, let's talk about user experience. Navigating through apps is smooth, and I didn't encounter any lag during my testing. And now for the standout features. The camera setup is quite impressive, boasting high-resolution sensors that promise vibrant photos. Plus, the display is absolutely gorgeous, perfect for binge-watching your favorite shows or scrolling through social media. Climax/key moment. So, after all this hype, what's my personal opinion on the Nubia Z60? Honestly, I'm pretty impressed. The performance is solid, and it definitely holds up against its competitors. The camera quality is a major highlight for me. It captures stunning images even in low light conditions. And in the battery life, well, I found it to be reliable, lasting me through a full day of heavy use without needing a charge. So, yes, in my book, the Nubia Z60 is worth the investment if you're looking for a well-rounded smartphone. Conclusion.